day, guys. Good afternoon. Mr. Legit. You can call me Code Legit. I'm a professional freelancer. I teach you how to create a PayPal account. So this very video, I'm going to show you a live proof withdrawal on my PayPal account. I create UK account, PayPal account. I create US PayPal account where you can use it to receive funds anywhere in the world, any part of the world. You can use it to receive funds. So this is a live withdrawal I'm going to make a proof to show you that you can actually withdraw your money from PayPal to your bank here in Nigeria. So we do create such account for most business people who really want to receive funds from abroad. So I just want to show you guys this was a payment which I received from PayPal, and this is it. This is £70. So I'm gonna show you guys a live withdrawal, how I'm gonna withdraw it directly to my bank here. So this is what I'm going to do. I will have to log in PayPal. Okay, this is my PayPal. I have to log in with my fingerprint. So boom, this is my PayPal balance. You can see the £70 right here. This is it. This is my £70 right here, and these are the transactions I've done so far. You can see this is £30, this is 40. So this is a live withdrawal. I'm going to show you how I will withdraw directly to my bank here. So let me go as far as withdrawing to my bank. You can see here it's showing me withdraw from PayPal to your bank. So I'm going to click this option. So they're asking me how much do I want to withdraw. How much do I want to withdraw? You can see in minutes, no fee. So I'm going to go with this in minutes, no fee. Then I click withdraw. So you can see the withdrawal is done, and you can see here they say your £70 is on its way to the bank. So I'll click done. You can see my balance here is £0. This is it. Let me refresh the page so you see. You won't think that is an editing work. We don't do editing here. This is it. This is it. You can see my balance here is 0. My balance here is 0. So I've been able to withdraw it to my bank. So let's go and check and see if the money is there. But first of all, let's see if we have any email that it has been done successfully. Okay. Okay. It's gonna come in soon. But while waiting, let me just check my account and see if the money has arrived. Okay, it hasn't, so we just have to give it some few minutes, and it's going to reflect here. So I'm going to pause this video and continue once the money drops. Okay, let me see. Gonna pause it and continue. So there's an email here. Let's check. Okay, this is what we have here. They said you recently requested a drawer of funds to your bank account. Here is the details you transfer request. So this is it. So it hasn't entered yet. Let's wait for some time and see if it has entered. Okay. Yeah, so I just think there is a message right here. Let me just see what the message is all about. Yeah, the message is telling me that your wallet has been funded successfully. You can see the transaction here, $70, 70 pounds. Sorry, this is 70 pounds. So once I converted it, it gave me 69. So I have to log into my Gray account. So let's just confirm and see if the payment is there. Okay, while we're waiting, so this is my dollar. I have 0 and I switch to pounds. You can see I have 69.30 pounds here. Wow, that is so amazing, very, very amazing. So I will have to swap it to naira. Let's see how much it's gonna give us. Let's convert it to naira and see. Let's see, 69.3. Let's see how much it's going to give us in naira. Wow, that is 101 naira. Let's see, 101 naira, 101,421 naira, 36 kobo. That is so amazing, guys. That is so amazing. So we were able to convert the money. Let me click on continue and convert it. I have to convert it to naira. So guys, this is a very good opportunity for you to grab. You don't need to miss this. I'm going to create an account like this for you, either your UK or US account. I'm going to create something like this for you so that you'll be able to use it to receive payment from any part of the world. And I will be also holding a free train. I will be holding a training, VIP training, which I'll be teaching some students who are very, very interested in learning how to create this kind of account. I'll be teaching you how to create a foreign PayPal account here in Nigeria, in Ghana, in Togo, any part of the African country you are. And you know, most of these African countries, they don't use PayPal, like they don't allow them to receive funds. But I'm going to show you how you'll be able to create this PayPal account and sell it to those who really need it. Those who countries are being restricted from opening a PayPal account. I'm going to show you how you're going to go about this. So I will be also organizing a training for that, a VIP training. So if you know you want this kind of account, you want me to open this kind of account, you're from Ghana, then you have to click the link below the description of this video and purchase an order for this account. I'm gonna require some information from you, which to enable me to create a verified UK PayPal account for you. Not only creating the accounts, I'm also going to introduce to you some surveys company which I normally use to earn directly to my PayPal account and withdraw from my PayPal to my Nigeria bank account or any account that you wish. So guys, I hope you really enjoy this, and make sure you like this video, make sure you comment, make sure you share it to your friends. That will be very interesting. Happy to see you guys. Thank you so much.